Wholesale trade, meaning of a wholesaler. If you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for free and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss our lessons. A wholesaler is a person or a business that buys goods in large quantities from manufacturers or producers and sell them in smaller quantities to retailers. That is the meaning of a wholesaler. Wholesalers act as a link between producers and retailers in the chain of distribution. Number 2, services of wholesalers. Services to manufacturers or producers. Wholesalers buy in bulk. Wholesalers buy goods in large quantities, helping producers to sell more. Storage. They store goods in their warehouse, reducing the cost or the burden on producers. Market information. Wholesalers provide feedback to manufacturers on consumer preferences. Risk bearing. They bear the risk of spoilage or theft after buying the goods. Financing. Wholesalers often pay cash or quickly for the goods, giving producers quick money. Promotion. They may help promote products to retailers. Number B, services to retailers. Right? Breaking bulk. They sell goods in smaller, manageable quantities suitable for retailers. Storage. Retailers do not need large storage space as they can buy when needed. Credit facilities. Wholesalers sometimes allow retailers to buy on credit. Transport. Some wholesalers help deliver goods to the retailers. Advice on marketing. They may guide retailers on popular products or pricing strategies. Services to consumers, which is an indirect service. Ensure regular supply of goods in shops. That is to meet demand and supply. Helps to maintain stable prices by managing the demand and supply. They contribute to wide product availability, like as we see here. The types of wholesalers. We have got different types of wholesalers. Cash and carry wholesalers. They operate on a cash-only basis. No credit given. Buyers collect goods themselves. Self-service style. Lower prices due to fewer services provided. General wholesalers. General wholesalers means generalized. Stock a wide range of goods from different producers. They serve different types of retailers because they've got general goods. Provide the service such as delivery and credit. The specialist wholesalers, that's the third type. They deal on only one line of goods, e.g. clothing, hardware, or cosmetics. They have deep knowledge on the product. Co-operative wholesalers societies, wholesale societies, owned by a group of retailers or producers, aim to cut middlemen and share profits among members. They operate to save members rather than maximize profits. Reasons why wholesalers are bypassed. There are reasons for bypassing wholesalers. Sometimes goods are sold directly from the manufacturer to the consumer. This is called bypassing a wholesaler. Reasons for bypassing. Here are the reasons. Retailers buy in bulk and no longer need a wholesaler. Manufacturers want more control over how products are sold. Or technology allows producers to sell directly online, so there's no need of a wholesaler here. Or to reduce the cost by cutting out the middlemen. Products need special handling or a quick delivery, e.g. fresh produce like this. Fresh produce can decay. Presence of manufacturer on the retail outlets. For example, Nike shops. Marketing boards. Marketing boards is a government or a cooperative board that controls the buying or selling of certain agricultural products. Examples. Here in Zimbabwe, we have got GMB, which controls the buying, storing, and distribution of maize, wheat, and other grains here in this country, which is Zimbabwe. If you find this lesson helpful, share with your friends. Help them discover great learning. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Let's learn together. The Cotton Marketing Board, which is CMB, and the Tobacco Industry Marketing Board also controls these crops. Functions of marketing boards. Marketing boards perform different functions. They stabilize the prices of agricultural products and also responsible for buy produce from farmers at fair prices mostly, and ensure steady supply of consumers and industries. To consumers and industry, they store and distribute agricultural products. They also offer transport and advisory services to farmers. Commodity markets. What are commodity markets? Right. A commodity market is a place where raw materials of primary products are bought or sold, such as maize, gold, oil, coffee, and tobacco. All these are commodities. Functions of commodity markets. Commodity markets perform different functions. They provide a central place for trading specific goods. They allow producers and buyers to meet and negotiate. And again, they also help determine fair market prices based on demand and supply. May offer future contracts, that is agreeing to buy or sell at a future date. They also promote transparency and competition in trade. Examples include tobacco auction floors in Harare, and we have got the Zimbabwe Mercantile Exchange, Zimsec, and international coffee and tea markets. To summarize the whole concepts, I'm going to explain the concept followed by the description of that concept. So I will start with wholesaler. A wholesaler buys in bulk from producers and sells in smaller quantities to retailers. Services they offer to producers. Wholesalers buy in bulk, storage, market information, and risk bearing. Their service to retailers. They offer the following services: breaking bulk, credit, storage, transport. The cash and carry wholesale. It offers self-service, pay cash, no delivery. And then general wholesalers, they provide a wide variety of goods. Specialist wholesalers, these ones, they specialize, which means they deal in one product type. Cooperative society. A cooperative society is owned by members to reduce costs. Why bypassing wholesalers? The reasons are as follows. When producers sell directly to retailers or consumers, that is the main reason. Then marketing board, to summarize, marketing board is a government body that regulates agricultural product trade. Commodity markets, market for trading raw materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, or visit our website mugombionlineschool.com and enroll for a full course. Thank you.